friends, and welcome back. It's Mrs. Vincent. Today we are here working on lesson 21, and I've got 5 crayons for today. I've got green, blue, brown, red, and yellow. If you need to pause the video now in order to collect any of your materials, go ahead and do so. For those that are ready, we started today work on parts of a purse, okay? So we're gonna go through the parts of this purse right here that is hanging from the tree. So the first rule I have for you is for the bag of the purse. That's where all of your stuff goes, your wallet, your cell phone, whatever it might be. That's going to be brown. Make a mark on the bag, brown. Remember, you're just making marks now. You're not coloring all the way. The next one is for my yellow crayon. You're gonna make a mark on the clasp, yellow. Remember, the clasp is kind of like the lock. It connects the 2 pieces together. You're gonna make a mark on the clasp, yellow. My final coloring rule is for that missing part, okay? Don't forget that anytime you see those dotted lines, it means trace in pencil. And then with your red crayon, you're gonna make a mark on the handle, red. So we've got a brown bag, a yellow clasp, and a red handle. These are the rules. This is the must do. The rest of the picture is a may do if you would like to go back and add color. Now down at the bottom, we've also been talking about the parts of an umbrella, okay? Here's my first rule for the umbrella. We also have a handle for the umbrella. It's a little bit different than our purse, but sometimes objects have the same part. Remember the handle, we're also going to make a mark in red, but he's down here in the bottom. We talked about how handles could be made of plastic or wood or sometimes metal. But that is the handle. You're gonna make a mark on the handle, red. My next coloring rule is for the covering. It's for your green crayon. The covering, remember, is the part that is often made of cloth, sometimes plastic. You're gonna make a mark on the covering, green. Now, please be careful not to trace over, not to color over any of those dotted lines, because you are going to need first to trace in pencil, but then that is our missing part. And the missing part is the frame. You're going to make a mark on the frame, blue. So again, you're gonna need to trace first in pencil, and then you're gonna have a whole bunch of kind of blue stripes going through because you've got a green covering. Let me zoom it in because those look the same from far away. You've got a green covering, a blue frame, and a red handle. Remember the parts of the umbrella, those are the rules, that's the must do. The rest of the picture is a may do if you would like. Go ahead and turn to the next page. If you need to pause, go ahead and pause now. But for those that are ready, go ahead and turn to the back side where we are in a city. Remember, a city is a place with lots of buildings and people, and that's what some of our rules are going to have to do with. My first coloring rule is for the buildings. There are a lot of them, so remember, this is kind of like our plants rule from last week. Just be careful this doesn't turn into a scribbling page. You do need to make a mark on all the buildings, green. Green buildings. Your next rule is for your, let's go brown. Your brown crayon. You're gonna make a mark on all the vehicles, brown. If it's made to take you places, it's a vehicle. If it has walls and a roof, it's a building. So we've got green buildings, brown vehicles. Those are the rules, those are the must do. The people and some of the stuff on the street, those are may do's if you would like to color the rest of the picture. Please don't forget to take a picture of the front and back and upload it to Google Classroom or email it to me directly. Boys and girls, thank you for a wonderful day, and until next time, bye-bye.